If you're trying to build credit fast in the United States, whether you're starting with no credit, rebuilding after mistakes, or trying to qualify for a car loan, apartment, or credit card, this video is your complete step-by-step guide. I'm going to show you the simplest and fastest ways to build credit, even if you're brand new to the US credit system. These strategies work in as little as 30 to 90 days. Let's jump right in. Section 1. Understand how credit works. To build credit fast, you have to understand what actually makes your score go up. Credit isn't magic, it's math. Here are the 5 factors lenders use to calculate your score. On-screen graphic, payment history, 35%. Credit utilization, 30%. Credit age, 15%. Credit mix, 10%. Inquiries, new credit, 10%. So the fastest results come from making payments on time and keeping your balances extremely low. If you do just those 2 things, you're already ahead of most Americans. Section 2. Check your current credit. Before you start building credit, you need to know where you stand. You can check your credit score free using Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, Experian app, annualcreditreport.com. Look for 3 things: your current score, your open accounts, any incorrect or negative items. If your credit score is low or you have no credit history at all, that's okay. This guide works for both situations. Section 3. Get your first credit building account. The fastest way to build credit in the USA is to open an account that reports to all 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Here are the 3 best options. Option A. Secured credit card. Fastest start. A secured credit card is the easiest and fastest way to start building credit, even if your score is low. You pay a refundable deposit, usually $49 to $200. And that becomes your credit limit. You use it like a normal credit card, and every month it reports your on-time payments. Great secured cards: Capital One Secured, Discover It Secured, Chime Credit Builder, Citi Secured MasterCard. Using a secured card responsibly for just 30 to 60 days can lift your score quickly. Option A. Secured credit card. Fastest start. A secured credit card is the easiest and fastest way to start building credit, even if your score is low. You pay a refundable deposit, usually $49 to $200, and that becomes your credit limit. You use it like a normal credit card, and every month it reports your on-time payments. Great secured cards: Capital One Secured, Discover It Secured, Chime Credit Builder, Citi Secured MasterCard. Using a secured card responsibly for just 30 to 60 days can lift your score quickly. Option B. Credit Builder Loan. A credit builder loan is perfect for people who can't qualify for a card yet. The bank locks $300 to $1,000 in a savings account, and you make small monthly payments. When the loan ends, you get the money back, and every payment builds credit. Top providers: Self, Credit Strong, SeedFi. Option C. Become an authorized user. Fastest credit hack: if someone you trust, like a parent, sibling, or close friend, adds you as an authorized user on their credit card, you can inherit their good history. You don't need to use their card. Their long credit age and on-time payments get added to your credit report. This method can boost your score in 30 days or less. Section 4. Master Credit Utilization. Utilization, how much of your credit limit you use, makes up 30% of your entire score. That's almost 1/3. If you want to build credit fast, this is key. Rules: stay under 30%. If your card has a $200 limit, never go above $60. For fastest results, stay under 10%. This looks extremely responsible to lenders. Pay before the statement closes. Most beginners make this mistake. They pay on the due date, but credit bureaus check your balance on the statement date. Pay early and your reported balance stays low, boosting your score. Example: limit $200, spend $40. Pay it off before statement, $0 reported. This creates maximum score growth. Section 5. Build perfect payment history. Payment history is the number one factor, 35% of your score. One late payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points. But every single on-time payment builds positive credit. Do this. Turn on autopay. Set reminders. Keep a small emergency cushion. Never pay late, even by 1 day. This is how you build credit safely and quickly. Section 6. Add one more trade line. To build credit fast, you need at least 2 active accounts. One account builds slowly. 2 accounts build momentum. Here's what to use as your second trade line. Store credit card. Easier to get approved for. Amazon Store Card. Walmart Capital One Card. Target Red Card. Second secured card. If you can't qualify for a store card, 2 secured cards still build credit quickly. No credit check accounts. Apps like Kickoff, Grain. Chime Credit Builder report monthly and help speed up your growth. Report rent payments. If you pay rent, you're already building credit. You just haven't been reporting it. Services: Boom, Rent Reporters, Rental Karma. Adding rent can instantly extend your credit age. Section 7. Avoid the biggest credit killers. Host: to build credit quickly, it's not enough to add positive information. You must also avoid the things that destroy your score. Here are the biggest credit killers to avoid. High utilization. Maxing out your cards drops your score fast, even if you pay on time. Too many hard inquiries. Each credit check lowers your score a few points. Limit applications to 1 or 2 every 6 months. Closing old accounts. Your oldest credit line is the backbone of your score. Never close it unless there's a fee. Late payments. One late payment can stay on your report for 7 years. Only paying minimum. You'll build debt, not credit. Always pay in full when possible. Section 8. Dispute credit report errors. Credit report errors are extremely common in the US, and they hurt your score unfairly. Look for errors like wrong balances, duplicate accounts, incorrect late payments, accounts you don't recognize. How to dispute. Go to each bureau's dispute website, upload proof, wait 30 to 45 days. Removing one wrong negative item can boost your score significantly. Section 9. 30-day, 60-day, 90-day credit roadmap. Host: here's a timeline of what happens when you follow this plan. First, 30 days. Open a secured card or credit builder loan. Become an authorized user. Keep utilization under 10%. Set up autopay. Expected boost, +10 to +40 points. First 60 days. Add second trade line. Add rent reporting. Keep balances low. Expected boost. plus 20 to plus 60 points. First 90 days. Continue on-time payments. Maintain low spending. Expected boost, plus 40 to plus 100 points. Many people reach 650 to 700 in 90 days using this method. If you're trying to build credit fast in the United States, whether you're starting with no credit, rebuilding after mistakes, or trying to qualify for a car loan, apartment, or credit card, this video is your complete step-by-step guide. I'm going to show you the simplest and fastest ways to build credit, even if you're brand new to the US credit system. These strategies work in as little as 30 to 90 days. Let's jump right in.